Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Hermelita Aquino, 40 years old, married, having 3 kids, 18, 15, and 13. High school graduated.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 6 sisters. I am the youngest.
Okay, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
I work experience. I care newborn and 6 years old baby. I teach them. I care them.
Aside from that, do you have any job duties?
Yes, I do cleaning, cooking, washing, marketing, and ironing.
Okay, for 8 years, one employee, right?
For 8 years in one employee.
Okay, from what year?
To 2016 and 2024.
Okay, do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes,
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
if the baby is crying, I will check first the diaper. If it is wet, I will change it. I will see if ever I will give feed milk and check the temperature.
Okay, if the baby is very naughty, what will you do?
I will encourage them to playing for them.
Do you have a big vision for them?
Do you have a big vision for them? Count numbers.
Oh. Okay, do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes, I prepare lukewarm water, soap, and towel.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come Hong Kong because I want to earn money to spend my family
Who will-
financially.
Who will take care of your kid when you work in Hong
My
Kong?
mother and my husband will take care of my children.
So in Hong Kong, you will work there, so how can avoid your homesick?
To avoid homesick, I will focus my work and I will treat my family, my employee as my own
Do
family.
you have any allergy?
No.
Okay, can you sing a song? Okay, can you sing a baby song?
A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, because I have dog and cats in our home.
Can you take care of elder person, assist them all their needs?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am cheerful, honest, helpful person can work under pressure.
And you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise to finish my 2 years contract as long as my employer need me. I will treat my employer as my own family. Hoping.
Okay, thank you.